Okay, fifth graders, this is what you need to do. You're going to look at each of these problems, pause the video, do the problem on your white piece of paper, then watch the video and correct your own work. Ready? Pause now. Okay, you should have already done this first problem. I have my letters. Does McDonald's sell burgers Sundays? What? And this is a very easy one because I'm dividing by 2 and the numbers are going to work out perfectly. Okay, so let's get started. Here we go. First question. What times 2 equals 8? How many 2's are in 8? 4. Touch it. Look, I didn't even pick up my pen. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract. 8 take away 8 is 0. Bring down your 6. And then what? Yep, Ashton knows now. Start over again and ask yourself, what times 2 equals 6? How many? 3. The answer always goes on the top. I didn't even pick up my pen. Touch it. 3 times 2 equals 6. Subtract, you get 0. Bring down, there's nothing to bring down. Your answer or your quotient is 43. That should have been you. Me, I know this one. All right, next problem. Okay, pause the recording now and try this one. 3-digit, you can do it. Pause it now. All right, let's take a look at this. First question, how many 5's go into 6? 1. Answer always goes on the top. Touch it. 1 times 5 equals 5. Subtract. 6 take away 5 is 1. Bring down only one number at a time, the 8 with an arrow. Start over. How many 5's go into 18? 3. Answer always goes on the top. Touch it. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract. 18 minus 15 is 3. Bring down with a long arrow your 4. Start over one more time and ask yourself, how many 5's go into 34? The answer is 6. Remember, answer always goes on top. If you wrote it down here, that wasn't right. 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract and you get 4. We're going to write our remainder as a fifth grader. 136, remainder 4 fifths. If I was there, I would give you some nachos to enjoy. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, problem 3. All right, this one's a little bit harder because we're dividing by 6's, and your first question is going to actually be a 0. But pause the recording now. Okay, you should have tried this problem on your own. First question is, how many 6's go into 4? The answer is 0. Don't be scared to put it. I didn't even pick up my pen. I go 0 times 6 is 0. It doesn't equal 4. It equals 0. Subtract. 4 take away 0 is 4. Bring down, remember, only one number at a time. I'm going to bring down my 9, and we start over. This is where you actually have to know your facts. How many 6's go into 49? Well, let's try a few. How about 6 times 6 is 36? Too small. 6 times 7 tied their shoe, 42. Ooh, it might be 7, but wait. 6 times 8 is 48. That's as close as we can go. 8 goes up top. Touch it. 6 times 8 is 48. Subtract. 49 minus 48 is 1. Bring down your 8. Start over one more time. How many 6's go into 18? That's right. You already did it. 3. Touch it. 3 times 6 is 18. Subtract. You get remainder 0. Who's stoked? Me. Okay, last problem. Here we go. Now we're going to be dividing by 8, and our numbers are a little bigger, but you can do it if you got the first 3 right. I know you can get this right. Come on. Look at my guy up there. Mad respect. Pause the recording now. Okay, last one. First question. What times 8 equals 6? Or how many 8's go into 6? That's right. Another 0. Touch it. 0 times 8 is 0. We subtract and get 6. Bring down only one number at a time. That would be a 5. And we start over. How many 8's are in 65? 6 times 8 was 48. 8 and 7. What's 8 and 7 again? Oh yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, not that one. How about 8 and 8 fell on the floor. When they got up, they were, come on, you guys know it, 64. Subtract, get 1. Bring down your 3. Start over one more time. How many 8's are in 13? Only 1. Answer goes on top. Touch it. 1 times 8 is 8. 13 take away 8 is 5. What is my remainder as a fifth grader? 81, remainder 5 what's? That's right. Whatever that number is, 5/8. Now what do I do, teacher? I'm done. All of these papers should be on your white piece of paper. I'll be checking tomorrow, but let's take a look at what you can do now. Go over there and read what it says. It says go to Google Classroom and click on what? So you go to Google Classroom, click on this. Watch how satisfying this is. Enjoy. Click on what? Enjoy puzzles. If you have extra time, which most of you probably will not, go ahead and click on Enjoy Puzzles and do your favorite puzzle. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please do your homework and have a great night.